How to get rid of extra spaces in Excel. Let's say you've got a list of names here and we can see that there's too many spaces in the middle of some names, some spaces at the beginning of others, and then some have got spaces trailing at the end like this. Now this data could have been sent to you like this, or you've copied it from another data source and the formatting doesn't match, so you've ended up with all of these extra spaces. One way to tidy this up is to click the cell next to the first name, type in the equal symbol, type trim, T-R-I-M, and then type the open bracket symbol like this. Click the cell where the first name is, close the brackets and then press enter. This has tidied up the name by getting rid of all the unnecessary spaces and it just leaves one space in the middle. And now you can copy this formula down by clicking the cell where you've just typed the formula into. So click it once to highlight it, move your mouse to the bottom here so it turns into a black cross and then double click. And now you've got the names written correctly here, but if you click into one of the cells you can see that they're still formulas. So if you highlight this column and hold down Ctrl and C, or right click your mouse and choose copy, and then choose the column where you want the names to be, right click and choose paste values, and then that pastes the names without the formulas, so now you can move them where you need them to be.